Hi, I'm Rowan from E-Yachts, and right behind us here we're pretty lucky to have lined up 3 BRABUS Shadow 900s. Straight away you see we've got a sun top behind us here, afterwards a cabin, and then another sun top, each with different options, and I'll try and point out as we go along the different options available. As you see straight off the bat here, we have twin 450 racing engines, so 900 horsepower total, hence BRABUS 900. Here we're on board the BRABUS Shadow 900 Deep Blue Edition. Now this is quite a special boat. This is a collaboration with BRABUS Marine as well as Panerai watches. 2 really high detailed companies who have come together along with Axopar and made this masterpiece. Now this boat is a step above an Axopar and a BRABUS, and is designed for the boat owner who just likes the finer things in life and taking things to the next level. On this boat here we have the lounge option, which is quite different to the one over there which has the standard seating. I want to start back here straight on the aft deck. We've got a wet bar on this boat. Next door we have an aft cabin, and on the furthest boat away we have the multi-storage on the rear deck there, doubles as a sun lounge. This one being the wet bar. As soon as you open this, what a sexy bar we've got here. Very much a nightclub sort of feel. We've got an induction cooktop. We have a large refrigerator packed full of drinks and a sink. All the finish is very high quality with the deep blue and the nice grey. Below the wet bar we've got 2 storage lockers. We've got a wealth of storage on the back deck here. Under the deck here we've got large lockers full of stuff that go all the way forward underneath the last row of seating. In addition to, we have more cushions on the back here, which is great for a social area on the cockpit, as well as more storage underneath here. As you'll see, they've done quite smartly a carbon fibre insert here for the locker, but they've done it in a blue, which is quite unique and not really seen. One of the great features and reasons people do go with BRABUS, that they're just a step above everything else. Inside the locker here, not only is there storage, there's also a shower. As we come through the cockpit, you'll see we've got new speakers from the JL Audio. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a big subwoofer in the center here that really just pumps music. I've actually just noticed we've got even 2 more recessed nicely into the roof. This sound system's going to be great on this boat. Sitting on the back deck here, this whole new upholstery layout seating option is really divine. It's very lounge feel. You can fit more people across here. Obviously if you're sitting in the forward seating, we can bring the backrest forward, and now we can fit even more people around an amazing dining table. How good's this? As per all the models in this 37 range, you've got this seat will pop up and you've got even more storage underneath. Alright, refrigeration is always key on a boat. So we have 2 drawer fridges here under the helm seat, and also that large one in the wet bar. Coming forward to the helm, look at this new seating area. It's very much a loungy sort of feel. It's very comfortable. It's practical, and you can have 4 up here now. Instead of the models where you could only have 3 individual seats, now we could fit almost a whole family. Now this is where it really starts to look cool. As you can see, all the custom carbon fibre inserts through here. The blue does stand out a lot more and really pop at this helm. The multi-function steering wheel with the trim tabs, bow thruster operation, plus the stereo on the right side or starboard, makes driving this boat a dream. Ergonomically placed for the throttle control is right here. JPO joystick. Once again, this stuff is all standard with a BRABUS Shadow model, and the nice integrated dash with all the lighting panels and operation. So as we come through the dash here onto the port side, there's 2 more smaller twin glass screens. Because the deep blue edition of the BRABUS Shadow is in partnership with Panerai, you can see we have 2 nicely positioned Panerai clocks built into the dash. But this is all multi-function screens, so we can do multiple things with the screen, from chart plotters to the BRABUS engine controls and also having a Panerai watch. As always with all these steering columns, we can adjust the steering to your desired position. With the bolster pushed back, it is quite nice to have the steering wheel in the up position. You've got a footrest here, which is great, so don't get fatigued legs when you're underway. Coming downstairs in the BRABUS Shadow 900, you'll see there's quite a significant amount of changes in customization. On our inboard side here, we have a multi-function screen which gives all the operation of turning lights on and off. We've got an air conditioning operation here if that option's chosen. But even a little detail on the port side here, outboard, you've got a little hanging hook. So if you had to hang clothes, towels, things like that, nice and simple. As you see, all the lighting's really cool here. You have a very nice sink built in, and underneath here we have the air conditioning. Coming into the toilet here, got a nice clean bench, mirror, leather paneling with great stitching, really nice finishing touches with the black rails, ventilation, the carpet. Obviously this is a private toilet, but once you want to go into the main cabin, the interior with the BRABUS leather, really nicely finished with the grey, black and nice touch of red, really pops. You got backrests, the bed up here, once again another nice soft custom material, really gives a very comfortable feel. Leather finishes and touches all over. The great thing in the BRABUS 900 is having the gull wing doors. With the simple operation of a push button, the doors open up. We've just brought in a whole amount of natural light, natural ventilation, and just makes this whole area feel so much larger. So let's jump up front and have a look. Even popping into the anchor wheel here, you see the nice finish with the deep blue going all the way through inside. You know, there's no unfinished parts of this boat. They've even gone into the effort of painting the whole anchor wheel black with the dry deck matting at the bottom there. On the bow here, another really beautiful place to hang out while either underway or at rest. Enough room for comfortably for two, squeeze three possibly, but you've got great lounging area here with the addition of the extra storage here. It's really nice for your legs. And then right up front, we have the extra cushion over the anchor well. In addition, with the lounge option, you actually also get armrests, which give you a bit of extra comfort while up here and security. You've got a nice wide armrest here. It's just well finished and a great option to consider. You can even have extra cushions on top of these gull wing doors, so when they're closed, you have a nice two-piece mattress on top there to add for extra lounging area enjoyment. So a few highlights of the BRABUS Shadow is having the carbon fibre spotlights on the roof. A really nice feature that steps this boat above a standard Axopar. Even the suntop roof has, as standard, an electrically operated opening and closing. All right, that's a wrap on the BRABUS Shadow 900 Suntop. This is the deep blue edition in collaboration with Panerai. Really awesome boat, super excited to get out on the water and see how this runs. If you like this video, like and subscribe. For more information, please reach out to us at eYachts. Thank you.